Hi everyone, in this video we want to talk about how to insert a link or so-called hyperlink in Jupyter Notebook for Python programming language, so please stay tuned. Before going further, remember that this video is just one video of my Jupyter Notebook playlist, so I will put the link of that playlist in the description below. Just a review from previous videos, you should know that we should convert the type of this cell to a markdown cell in order to insert a link in it. But maybe you ask, how can we convert this cell to a markdown cell? Before answering this question, you should notice that when I click inside this cell, the border becomes green. It means that we are in the edit mode and I can type whatever I want. But if I press the escape key on my keyboard, then you can see I cannot type anything inside this cell. Why? Because now we are not in the edit mode. So if you click on this cell, you can see that we are in the edit mode, and if you press escape key on your keyboard, then you can see that we are not in the edit mode. So first of all, in order to convert a cell into a markdown, you should exit the edit mode by pressing the escape key on your keyboard. Then you should go to cell type, and you should click on this markdown. And also you can see that you can press M on your keyboard as a shortcut. So after converting this cell to a markdown, you can insert a link in it. So for example, suppose that I want to insert a link like this in this cell. So after typing this link, I should press Ctrl Enter on my keyboard, and then you can see that here is a link. But maybe you ask, how can we insert a text like this, which is linked to a URL? In order to do so, I should insert the text that I want, for example here kulak, which is the name of our channel, inside two brackets. So here I should insert a text which is kulak inside two brackets, and inside parentheses we should paste our link. So after typing this, I press Ctrl Enter on my keyboard. Then you can see that here is a text which is linked to a URL. But maybe you ask, how can we have a tooltip? What do I mean by a tooltip? For example, if you hover on this link, you can see that a message will pop up and it says please subscribe. So this is a tooltip. How can we insert a tooltip like this for a hyperlink? In order to do so, I should put something inside these parentheses. So first of all, I should put a space. Remember, this is a keynote. You should put a space, and after that, between double quotations or single quotation, doesn't matter, you should put the tooltip that you want. For example, I want to type please subscribe. So after typing the text that I want as a tooltip, I press Ctrl Enter on my keyboard. Then you can see that I have a link with a tooltip. Thank you for watching. In future videos, we're going to cover lots of topics such as how to insert images, audios, videos, and etc. in Jupyter Notebook. So please make sure to subscribe and click the bell next to it to be notified of every new video. Thank you for watching.